हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू पाई एंड प्रोटॉन। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हम लोगों ने क्लास फोर्थ तक किया था। इस वीडियो से हम फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन से शुरू करेंगे। तो क्वेश्चन पढ़ लेते हैं हम लोग। अ टावर स्टैंड्स वर्टिकली ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑन द ग्राउंड विच इज़ 25 मीटर अवे। एक टावर खड़ा है और एक पॉइंट ऑन द ग्राउंड जो कि 25 मीटर अवे है from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. We need to find the height of the tower. So first of all, let's draw the triangle, or must I say the diagram? So this is the tower, 25 meter away, a point 25 meter away, 25 meter away from the ground, and the angle of elevation is 30 degree, no, 45 degree. 45 degree is the angle of elevation. We need to find the height of the tower. Let's name the triangle A, B, C. We have named the triangle ABC. So AB is the height of the tower. AB is the height of the tower. We know the adjacent. We don't know the opposite. So how will we find? We'll use tan, the ratio of tan 45. So tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 45 is equal to opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. Tan 45 is 1, value of tan 45 is 1. AB's value we don't know. BC is 25. Now we'll cross multiply. When we'll cross multiply, the 25 is equal to AB. So our answer is 25 centimeter or centimeter. It's meter. Answer is 25 meter. That is fifth number question. Let's move on to the sixth number question. Sixth. The angle of elevation, now it's the angle of depression. The angle of depression of a car standing on the ground from the top of a 75-meter high tower is 30 degree. 75-meter high tower is 30 degree. Find the distance of the car. Find the distance of the car from the base of the tower. So we need to find the distance of the car. In this case, we have gotten the depression, angle of depression. We'll draw the diagram. So this is the tower, angle of depression of cars, 75-meter high tower, 75-meter high, 75-meter high tower. Distance of the car, we don't know the distance of the car, base of the tower. The angle of depression of the car standing on the ground, car is here, car is standing on the ground from the top of a 75-meter high tower is 30 degree. So 75, wait, 30 degree, this will be 30, this will be 30 degree. Okay, find the height, find the distance of the car from the base. Distance of the car from the base, we need to find this distance. Let us name our triangle PQR. Again, we know the opposite, we don't know the adjacent. So what will we use? We'll use again tan. So in triangle ABC, no, sorry, PQR, in triangle PQR, tan 30 is equal to what? First of all, we'll write the ratio. Tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. TOA, TOA, that is opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 is equal to, what is opposite? PQ. What is adjacent? QR. Tan 30 is equal to, what is tan 30? What is the value of PQ? That is 75. What is the value of QR? We don't know. So we'll write QR. Now we'll write the value of tan 30, that is 1 by root over 3. I hope you have remembered the ratios of standard angles, sorry, the value of standard angles, otherwise it will be difficult to solve the questions. 75 by QR. Now we'll cross multiply. By cross multiplying we get QR is equal to 75 root over 3. So we got our answer QR, that is the 75 root over 3 meter. Base of the, so the distance is equal to 75 root over 3. We'll move on to the next question. We got the 6th number question. Now let's move on to the 7th. Okay, a river is 60 meter wide, a tree of unknown height, so we don't know the height of the tree, is on one bank of the river, that is kinara. Bank means kinara of the river. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the point exactly opposite to the foot of the tree on the bank is 30 degree. Find the height of the tree. Guys, always draw the diagram, it will make your solution easier. You will be able to visualize the sums. So a river is 60 meter wide. We got a 60 meter wide river. Value of river's width is 60 meter. A tree is on one bank of the river. So here is the tree. Let's assume this is our tree. Of the height unknown, we don't know the height of this tree. On one bank, the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the point exactly opposite to the site of the foot. So from here again we draw a right angle triangle. Top of the tree is 30 degree. Okay, this is 30 degree. Find the height of the tree. We got to find the height of the tree. We got our diagram. Now let's try to find the, okay, again we'll use tan because we know adjacent, we don't know the opposite, so we will use value of tan. Let's name the ABC. Tan C is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 is equal to, what is opposite? AB. What is adjacent? BC. Okay, value of tan 30 is, I hope you know, 1 by root over 3. Here also it was 30, yes. So 1 by root over 3 is equal to, what is the value of AB? We don't know, so we'll write AB. What is the value of BC? That is 60. Okay, now we'll cross multiply as usual. 60 is equal to AB root over 3. Constant one on the one side of the is equal to, and on the other side of the is equal to, we'll take the root over 3 to this side. So multiplication of the multiplied root over 3 will be divided by root over 3 is equal to AB. Again, we never leave root over in the denominator, so we'll rationalize it. 60 into root over 3 by root over 3 into root over 3 is equal to AB. 60 into root over 3 by 3, that is 3 2s are 6, 0s are, so 20 root over 3 is our answer of AB. AB, what is AB? The height of the tree. Height of the tree is equal to 20 root over 3. Centimeter or meter? Meter. Always write the unit, otherwise you won't get the full marks. Never leave the unit, this is important. Excuse me. Let's move on to the next question, which is 8th. We have got the diagram already drawn. So Read. A bridge across a river. This is a bridge across the river, as you can see, makes an angle of 45 degree. Okay, the river makes the angle of 45 degree. See, if the length of the bridge across the river is 200 meter, so we have got the hypotenuse 200 meter. What is the breadth of the river? What is the breadth of the river? Breadth of the river. That means we want to know this breadth of the river. Length and breadth. That means we want to determine what is the width of the river. Let's solve it. Let's make the naming A, B, C. Okay. We know, what do we know? We know the hypotenuse, that is adjacent to the 45 degree angle. Now we don't know this. Also, we don't know this. Nor do we know this, nor do we know this. So what will we do? Which value of the trigonometric ratios will we use? Sine. We'll use sine, which is O by H, because we already know the H. We already know H. We don't know the opposite. So we'll use sine. Okay. Now sine C is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sine 45 is equal to AC by, wait, no, that will be AB. AB by AC. Value of sine 45 is 1 by root over 2. I hope you know. Is equal to AB. We don't know AB. We know AC. AC, which is 200. Now again we'll cross multiply the given equation. 200 is equal to AB root over 2. 200 divided by root over 2 is equal to AB. Now rationalizing the same, 200 into root over 2 by root over 2 into root over 2. 200, let me do the sums here. Okay, after this, 200 root over 2 by 2. So 100. 100 root over 2 is our answer. Meters. Width of the river. Width, width of river is equal to 100 root over 2 meter. We'll go to the next question now. Next question. Next question, we'll have to read the next question, which is a contractor plans to install two slides for children. Contractor, two slides for children to play in the park. Okay. Okay, so there will be two cases now. For children below age of 5 years will be one case. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at height of 1.5 meter. Okay. And the inclined at an angle of 30 degree. So angle of elevation is also given to the ground. Whereas for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide. Steep means खड़ी, मतलब उसका जो ये होगा ना, ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा खड़ा होगा, ये elevation. Steep slide at a height of 3 meter. So height is given, and inclined at an angle of 60 degree. Again it is given. So here is this 30, here it is 60. Of course, this slide is a steep slide to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? What should be the length of slide in each case? Okay, we'll draw the diagram first. Let's draw the diagram for 1.5 meter 30 degree for children. Case A, case A, case B. a contractor plans to install for children below. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. Okay, we got the height of the slide, that is 1.5 meter, and inclined at an angle of 30 degree. We got the 30 degree. Okay, she wants to have a 30 degree on the ground, whereas for the elder children she wants to have a steep slide of height is increased height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree. 60 degree. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Okay, now they are asking us to find the hypotenuse of each case, this and this. Let me change the color of highlighter, which is red. ये पूछ रहा है हमसे, ये और ये height of, no, the length of the slide. So which will we use? We'll use sine again. See, we know the opposite, we don't know hypotenuse. We know opposite, we don't know hypotenuse. We'll use value of sine. ABC DEF, name of the triangles. In case A, sine C is equal to, so O by H, sine 30 is equal to, what is O? That is AB by H, that is AC. Value of sine 30 is 1 by 2 AB by AC. Cross multiplying, AC is equal to 2AB. AC is equal to 2AB. Wait a minute. Oh, sorry, I have not written the value of AB, my mistake. AB, value of AB is 1.5 meter. So AC is equal to 1.5 into 2. AC, again I am not writing that, sorry. AC is equal to 3 meter. AC is equal to 3 meter. Now we will move on to the second triangle for children of height 3 meter. Again we'll use sine F. Sine F is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sine 60 is equal to opposite DE by DF. Sine 60, value of sine 60 is root over 3. No, if I'm not mistaken, root over 3 by 2. The value of sine 60 is root over 3 by 2. DE 3 by DF. What is DF? DF we don't know. DF. Cross multiplying, 3 2s are 6 by root over 3 DF. I hope you have got the step. If you have not, let me do it excuse me, more properly, in more basic way. DF root over 3 into root over 3 is equal to 3 into 2. Cross multiplying. So DF is equal to 3 2s are 6 by root over 3. Rationalizing the same, we got 6 by root over 3 into root over 3 by root over 3. 6 root over 3 by 3, that is 3 2s are 6. 2 root over 3. So hypotenuse or length of the slide is 2 DF. DF is equal to 2 root over 3. This is 2 root over 3 meters. We'll move on to the next question. This was 9th number. Okay, now we'll move on to the 10th. Okay, the 10th question. We'll read the question first, of course. The angle of elevation of the top of a building. Okay, from the foot of the tower, is 30 degree, and angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 45 degree. यहाँ पर हम लोग को दो स्ट्रक्चर्स बनाने पड़ेंगे, या मैं कहूँ तो दो ट्रायंगल्स बनाने पड़ेंगे जिसका बेस सेम होगा. इफ़ द टावर इज़ 30 मीटर हाई, फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. यहाँ पर हमें टावर की हाइट दे दी गई है, हमें बिल्डिंग की हाइट मेजर करनी है. यहाँ पर हम दो ट्राइंगल्स बनाएंगे बट वो ऑन द सेम बेस बनाएंगे। पहले हम लोग बिल्डिंग का बना लेते हैं। टॉप ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द टावर इज 30 डिग्री। अच्छा, यहाँ पर टावर है, मैं लिख देता हूँ नहीं तो आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे। ये बिल्डिंग है, BUILDING, ये बिल्डिंग है, ये टावर का हाइट है, TOW। टावर की हाइट ये है और बिल्डिंग की हाइट ये है। क्या हमें बिल्डिंग की हाइट दी हुई है? बिल्डिंग की हाइट हमें नहीं दी हुई है, ठीक है। इफ़ द टावर इज़ 30 मीटर हाइट, टावर की हाइट हमें दे दी गई है। वाह, टावर जो है हमारा 30 मीटर लंबा है, बिल्डिंग की हाइट तो हमें पता करनी है। ओके, ठीक है। हमें क्या बेस का वैल्यू पता है? हमें बेस की वैल्यू भी नहीं पता है, दिस, इसकी वैल्यू भी हमें नहीं पता है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ अ टावर, टावर का जो पैर है वहाँ से 30 डिग्री है। एंड द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द टावर फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, यहाँ से ये 45 डिग्री है। ओके, इफ द टावर इज 30 मीटर हाई, फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग। ठीक है, हम लोग पहले ट्राइंगल्स का नाम दे देते हैं ABC, और फिर यहाँ पर हम नाम दे देते हैं BC, नहीं, ABC D, C यहाँ पर, D यहाँ पर, ठीक है। सबसे पहले इन ट्राइंगल CDB, पहले हम इस वाले ट्राइंगल की बात करेंगे। इस वाले ट्राइंगल की बात हो रही है अभी। इस वाले ट्राइंगल में हम tan 45 का यूज़ करेंगे। किसका यूज़ करेंगे? tan 45 का यूज़ करेंगे ये निकालने के लिए, क्योंकि TOA, O तो हमें पता है, बट एडजेसेंट जो कि ये है, ये हमें नहीं पता है। पहले ये पता करना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को, ठीक है। tan B इज इक्वल टू ऑपोजिट बाई एडजेसेंट, tan 45 इज इक्वल टू ऑपोजिट का वैल्यू क्या है 30 बाई एडजेसेंट का वैल्यू क्या है BD। tan 45 का वैल्यू होता है 1 इज इक्वल टू 30 बाई BD। तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई जब मैंने किया तो BD का वैल्यू 30 ही आया, 30 मीटर। दैट मीन्स आई हैव गॉट दिस विच इज 30 मीटर। नाउ we'll move on to the building side, that is ABD triangle. In triangle ABD, okay, we know, what do we know? We know this, we don't know this, we know the adjacent, we don't know the opposite. Again, very easy. Tan D is equal to TOA, opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 is equal to, what is opposite, what is opposite? AB by BD, which is BD 30. Tan 30, now we'll write the value of tan 30, which is 1 by root over 3. Good. What is the value of AB we don't know, by what is the value of BD, which is 30. So 30, now cross multiplying AB into, ये सब नहीं करके हम लोग डायरेक्ट जल्दी करने की कोशिश करते हैं, इज इक्वल टू AB लिख सकते हैं बाई रूट ओवर 3। आप इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने वाले थे रूट ओवर 3 से AB को, फिर भी तो ये नीचे ही आने वाला था नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, क्योंकि यहाँ पर रूट ओवर 3 होने वाला था, फिर ये नेक्स्ट स्टेप में मल्टीप्लाई का डिवाइड में आ जाता। तो इतना सब हम लोग को स्टेप्स कभी कभी जंप भी करने चाहिए। 30 रूट ओवर 3 इंटू रूट ओवर 3 बाई रूट ओवर 3, रैशनलाइज करना है हमें। सो 30 रूट ओवर 3 बाई 3, 10 रूट ओवर 3, हाइट ऑफ बिल्डिंग, हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, ठीक है। तो ये 10 क्वेश्चंस तक हम लोगों ने किया, हाँ 10 तक हमने किया। आप इस 10 तक को अपने कॉपी पे करो, और फिर आपको प्रैक्टिस आप करते रहो। तो इस वीडियो को हम यहीं स्टॉप करते हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग 11 से 20 तक करने की कोशिश करेंगे। अगर कोई टेक्निकल डिफ़िकल्टीज़ नहीं आई तो एक ही वीडियो में उसको निपटा देंगे, 10 सवाल और। ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।